VSB Engineering College. VSB academic achievement 5 gold medals, 253 university ranks, and the highest cutoff is 192.50 in TNEA 2019. And the scholarships for first year for the cutoff 190 to 200, total free fees including bus fare and hostel fees, 180 to 190 100% free tuition fee, and 165 to 180 50% free tuition fee. And the VSB rank in top magazines of India. National level ranking, Careers 360 AA+, DataQuest 71st rank, The Week 72nd rank, ISSR The Outlook 2014 40th rank, Competition Success Review 10th rank, Silicon India 8th rank, Engineering Success Review 12th rank. The vision of the college is to endeavor to impart futuristic technical education of the highest quality to the student community and to inculcate discipline in them to face the world with self-confidence and thus prepare them for the life as a responsible citizen to uphold human values and to be the service at large. And the mission is to transform persons into personalities by the state-of-art infrastructure, time consciousness, quick response, and the best academic practices through assessment and advice. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at VSB Engineering College: Biotechnology, Computer Science and Engineering, Information Technology, Chemical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and Biomedical Engineering. Cutoff marks for various castes and various departments. For OC it is 82 to 179, for BCM 86 to 140, for BC 92 to 167, for MBC 92 to 148, for SC 78 to 102. The facilities at VSB. VSB Central Library caters to information needs of the institute's faculty, student, staff, and researchers. It houses around 40,000 books covering all disciplines of engineering, technology, and management. The collection in the library comprises printed documents such as books, reports, theses, standards, atlases, patents, and journal back volumes. The library provides various services for its members such as lending of books and journal back volumes, reservation of books, document delivery, photocopying, CD-ROM, and video screening. Medical facility. The college ensures the students and staff has easy access to medical facilities at any point of time. There are a dispensary, a doctor, and an ambulance on call 24/7 to attend any kind of medical emergency. Group insurance scheme. The students are protected with an elaborate insurance cover up to 2.5 lakhs. It protects them from possible accidents and disasters. In addition to pupils, their parents too come under the insurance net as they are their nominees. The staff members are also benefited under the scheme. And the other facilities are ATM, women's and men's hostel, cafeteria, sports, Wi-Fi, and transport. Placement 2020. 1,206 offers in top companies. Cognizant 220, TCS 55, NTT Data 14, Infosys 5, Mindtree 3, Zoho 1, Capgemini 139, HCL 22, IBM 9, Quest Global 4, Malo 2, others 598, Wipro 100, LTI 21, Tessolve 7, Sony 4, and Odisha Technology 2. Total number of companies recruited the students is 28 and total number of offers is 1,206. Number of students placed 460 plus, and students placed in more than 3 lakhs is 326 and number of offers in more than 3 lakhs salary package is 582. The result from 2013 to 2017, it is above 80 to 93 percentage. In 2013 82, 2014 80 percentage, 2015 93, 2016 91, and in 2017 81 percentage. Counseling code for VSB Karur is 2622. Contact at 9994496212 or 8220080832 or 8270596212. Website is www.vsbec.com. College is located at NH67 Kovai Road, Garudapalayam Post, Karur 639111. Mail ID is admission@vsbec.com.